I usually prefer emails over phone call, not only because I can write way better than I can talk, but also with emails it's much easier to keep track of conversation. But one thing that email lacks over phone call is there is no easy way to confirm if the recipient has received the email or whether it was lost in heaps of emails that is already present in their inbox. Enter MailTag. It's an email tracking service to see if and when your email was open and whether the recipient has clicked on the link that you put inside the mail. Before we get started, I would like to thank MailTag for sponsoring this video. Though that doesn't stop us from asking how MailTag is different from heaps of other email tracking services that are already out there. So let's find out. To get started, install MailTag on your web browser. It's available for both Chrome and Firefox. I personally use Inbox by Google, but as of now, MailTag only supports Gmail. So let's go with that. Open up your Gmail. Once done, let's see if it works or not. So compose a new email and there you will see send from MailTag option in the email signature. This means that email tracking is working fine. Of course, if you don't want the recipient to know that you're tracking this email, then you can remove this message by clicking on the small cross sign next to it. And as you can see, this will remove the MailTag watermark, but at the same time the email is still being tracked. And of course, unlike other email tracking services, this feature is free. Now let's say that I am the recipient of this email, and if I open the mail in my phone, then as you can see, the moment you do that, you will see a desktop notification saying that your email was open. For all those who are wondering how email tracking works, well, it's pretty simple than you think. Whenever you send an email using an email tracking services, they embed a tiny transparent image in each mail hosted on their server. Now this image is small enough that it won't be seen by your naked eyes, but when the recipient opened the email, the tiny image made an HTTP request to the server, thereby telling the sender that the email was open. Though here is a cool tip. Let's say if you are a recipient of that email and wants to know whether the link is tracking you or not, then all you have to do is hover over the link and check its destination at the bottom left corner of the window. Now let's come to how MailTag is different from heaps of other email tracking services. And well, the answer is pretty simple. It provides almost every paid feature for free. So with the basic version of MailTag, you get free push notification, free click tracking, free full email open history, and free dashboard. Apparently, MailTag is the only email tracking service that offers free dashboard that shows you average open rates, click rates, and lots of other cool data. The only difference between the free and the paid version of MailTag as of now is that MailTag Pro removes the watermark by default, and that's it. So is MailTag our pick for best email tracking services? Well, for free user, definitely. The free version of this service is easy to use and offer features that Travel makes you pay for. The only issue as of now is MailTag is only available for Gmail. There is no support for Inbox, Outlook, or Yahoo. But the last time I heard from the team, they are working on it, so it's good to go. So yeah, go ahead and try MailTag. It's the first link in the description. As always, it's Manal signing off, and I will see you in the next one.